Hello everyone. We actually have on request from someone in the world that seeing our previous video instruction, written instruction on YouTube about removing the Maserati GTS 2014 quadruport factory reverse camera, and they asked for a more detailed videos instead of written instructions. So here we go. Today we have time to go back to the class project, and we are doing the instruction how to remove the factory reverse camera from the GTS quadruport and 2014, and this one is the GTS model. So at first you would need to remove this one, which actually is the carpet from the back end tailgate. Remove the carpet first, and then it will exposing the tailgate section over here, and after that you remove this plastic pole. Okay, I believe that we have to remove this one first. So we have to remove the plastic pole first before we actually can remove the carpet. Okay, so the plastic pole here is very easy to remove. It has some clip at the back end like this, so just unclip it from the back end, which actually you can see it here at the back end. Okay, 1, 2, 3 of the clip, and then you can be able to take the plastic cover off, and then unclip all the clip holding the carpet cover, and then exposing the back of the tailgate. All right, now keep going and put a 10mm socket into this one. Untwist it on both sides, this one, okay, to be able to push that tail light output. So you will be able to push this tail light output, and after you push that output, actually you will give more space to remove this bar, which actually holding the camera. Okay, but before removing the bar that holding the camera, you need to unclip unscrew 4 of the hex screw, which is big one, and just unscrew 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, make sure you do the same 10mm socket to remove this one. Okay, and after that, after you unclip this one, you know that this one will come up like this, and then you can be able to push the tail light upward like that. Okay, so you actually jailing the space for the bar, for this bar going out. All right, so make sure you do that, and after you do that, you can take the bar off. Okay, that including the factory reverse camera over there. And what should you do with the factory reverse camera? Basically, you can do something. If your camera is faulty, just do the replacement from there, which there's only 2 screws holding the factory camera in the place. But if you want to upgrade the new camera, as what we are doing, into the new system, then you can, follow our other instruction that strictly we create for this model GTS 2014 quadruport. It might be able to apply for the other one quadruport, but we cannot guarantee because every car might be different. And this one is GTS quadruport 2014, import directly from Europe into Australia, and it has specifically designed for this model only. But hopefully if it's something in common with you, you might be able to apply that. But just look at another video later. In this video I only can show you how to remove the factory camera, and yeah, with that process you can easily remove the factory camera by now. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.